Let's make some oven-baked crispy fried chicken. Tony's Sassery salt and garlic powder. Give it a good old mix. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in 7 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're going to go ahead and give that a good old mix. Mix it all up, get it in there good. And it's all full of cornstarch now. So now let's go ahead and put it on our baking rack. And you guys, this is the most crispiest chicken I ever had. It's so delicious. Put it in the oven on 350, you guys. You're going to bake it 20 minutes on one side and then flip it over and bake it another 20 minutes. And then there you have it, you guys. You're going to have crispy chicken that is so yummy and delicious, you guys. So enjoy. Thanks for watching. And y'all have a blessed and lovely day. Thank you from a spoon of fork.